welcome back. So I know after doing your work, you want some time for refreshment, isn't it? So now I'm here with you for a fun-filled rhyme time. Yes, I know you all enjoy rhymes. You love singing them, you love dancing on them, isn't it? So here I am with your rhyme classes. So shall we start singing our rhymes? Today we will be revising our previous lines later, okay? But first I'm going to teach you two new rhymes. First I'm going to teach you two new rhymes. Clear? So the first rhyme. What is this? Thank you. Please. Excuse me. ये भी कोई rhyme होती है? ये भी कोई rhyme होती है? Yes, it's a beautiful rhyme. But before starting the rhyme, I'm going to tell you what, why and where we should use these. Okay? First is thank you. What is this? Thank you. What is the meaning of thank you? Who will tell me? Thank you का meaning क्या होता है? That we are really obliged कि आपने मुझे ये दिया. If I am in need of a pencil, मैम का I'm working with my pencil और क्या होता है? मैम की pencil break हो जाती है. So what I want now? I want a sharpener. But what happens is I am not having a sharpener. मेरे पास sharpener नहीं है. Then what I will do? I will ask my friend. I will ask my student. Right? मैम आपसे रिक्वेस्ट करती है, प्लीज गिव मी शार्पनर. सो फर्स्ट वी हैव यूज्ड प्लीज. प्लीज का मतलब क्या होता है? प्लीज मीन्स आई रिक्वेस्ट यू. ओए शार्पनर दे दे, ऐसे बोलते हैं? नो, दिस इज अ बैड लैंग्वेज एंड गुड स्टूडेंट्स डोंट यूज बैड लैंग्वेज, इजंट इट? सो हाउ वी से प्लीज गिव मी शार्पनर. अब घर पे if you are sitting and you want water, तो आप क्या बोलोगे? मम्मा पानी दे दो. Is it like this? No. You should always be polite when you say, Mama, please give me water. So what you are using? Please. Please से क्या लगता है? That I am requesting you. Okay. Now, अब आपको मम्मा ने water दे दिया and you drank. आपने पानी पी भी लिया. Now what? अब क्या होगा? You should always say thank you. What you should say? Thank you. Why? जब अगर आपको किसी चीज़ की ज़रूरत थी, you were in need of something and mama gave you, या जैसे मैम को शार्पनर की नीड थी, I asked, somebody gave me, उसने मेरी हेल्प करी ना, it is a help to me. So I should always be thankful कि thank you so much, आपने मेरी हेल्प करी. Isn't it so? Now, what is excuse me? Excuse me is the way of saying sorry. For example, if I'm sitting with my family members or I'm sitting in the class or I'm sitting somewhere, other people are also sitting with me और suddenly मैम को क्या हो जाता है? स्नीज आ जाती है. यस, हमें स्नीज आ जाती है ना कभी कभी. तो जब सडनली हमें स्नीज आ जाती है, द फर्स्ट थिंग वी शुड ऑलवेज कीप अ हैंडकरचीफ एंड द सेकंड थिंग इज आफ्टर स्नीजिंग वी शुड ऑलवेज से एक्सक्यूज मी, दैट इज आई एम सॉरी. व्हाट डज दैट मीन? आई एम सॉरी. ओके, you understood the meaning of these three words? You understood where we have to use them? Understood that? So now let's begin with our rhyme. Let's start. Okay, stand up everyone and say, we say thank you. Sing with me. We say thank you. We say please. All of you sing with me now. Try to take the notes. We say thank you. The word are we मतलब हम सब. We say thank you. Then is we say please. We say thank you. We say please. Say with me. We say thank you. We say please. We say excuse me when we sneeze. Sing with me. We say thank you. We say please. We say excuse me when we sneeze. Yes. First we are going to repeat these 4 lines again. We say thank you. We say please. We say excuse me when we sneeze. Got these 4 lines? Repeat again. We say thank you. We say please. We say excuse me when we sneeze. This is the way. Now say, now we have to change a little. The tune will be changed here. This is the way. Say with me. This is the way. This is the way we do things. This is the way we do things. This is the way we do things. We have manners. We are polite. Start again. We say thank you. We say please. We say excuse me when we sneeze. This is the way we do things, right? This is the way we do things, right? We have manners. We are polite. Manners मतलब good habits and polite means to be very soft. किसी से भी बात करनी है in the soft way. Okay? So let's revise it once again. We say thank you. We say please. We say excuse me when we sneeze. This is the way we do things, right? This is the way we do things, right? We have manners. We are polite. We have manners. We are polite. Understood all? Great. Now moving to our next poem. So, what are these? Clouds. Clouds are white and grey in color. And this is the time of rainy season. Yes. And we are going to do a poem on rainy season. Now, rainy season is a good season. We enjoy that. We enjoy by making paper boats. हम paper boats बनाते हैं. We put them in the puddles of water. Then whenever we have to go out in rainy, it's raining outside and we need to go out. What we use? We wear gum boots. We use umbrella. We wear raincoats. Isn't it? Isn't it so many things? We eat different things. Mama cooks sweet corns. Wow, hot sweet corns. Then we can have pakoras. Then we can have lot of things in rain. But one thing is bad about rain. And what is that? We cannot go out for play. है ना? Mama said ना? Mama says, no, don't go out. It's raining outside. हम बाहर नहीं जा सकते ना? So our poem is rain, rain, go away. Say with me. Rain, rain, go away. Come again another day. Little Johnny wants to play. Rain, rain, go away. So let's start once again. Rain, rain, go away. Come again another day. Little Johnny wants to play. Rain, rain, go away. So everything is good with rain, but the only thing is we cannot go out to play, isn't it? So what we are saying to rain? Rain, please आप चले जाओ और फिर किसी दिन आना. Why? Because little Johnny is a little boy who wants to go out and play. Understood these 2 rhymes? Great. Now try to use these words in your daily routine. Whenever you are talking with everyone, polite and use these words. Thank you, please, excuse me. I have told you how you have to use them. So try use these words. Clear? So now it's time to revise our previous rhyme. So which are the rhymes which we have done previously? Who is going to tell me? Come to school. Yes. So let's begin. Come to school just in time. Go for prayer just in line. Don't throw paper on the ground. Give to the teacher what is found. That means you should always come to school on time. Whenever you are going for prayer, go in a proper line and don't throw anything on the ground. आपको ग्राउंड में कोई पेपर या कुछ भी नहीं थ्रो करना चाहिए. और अगर आपको ग्राउंड में कुछ मिलता है, कोई इरेजर, पेंसिल, शार्पनर, whatever, anything, कोई हैंकी, so what do you have to do? You will keep it with you? No, you have to give to your teacher. आपको वो मैम को देना चाहिए. Okay? So let's do it once again. Come to school just in time. Go for prayer just in line. Don't throw paper on the ground. Give to the teacher what is found. Very good. Okay. So one more rhyme I'm going to do. Here we go around the mulberry bush. You remember we did this when we did healthy habits? Okay, let's start. Here we go round the mulberry bush. So take a round. Because we are going round, so you have to take a round. Okay? Here we go round the mulberry bush. Mulberry bush. Mulberry bush. Here we go round the mulberry bush. Early in the morning. This is the way we wash our face. Wash our face. This is the way we wash our face. Early in the morning. Here we go round the mulberry bush. Mulberry bush. Here we go round the mulberry bush. Early in the morning. This is the way we comb our hairs. Comb our hair. This is the way we comb our hair. Early in the morning. Here we go round the mulberry bush. Mulberry bush. Here we go round the mulberry bush. Early in the morning. This is the way we wear our clothes. Wear our clothes. This is the way we wear our clothes. Early in the morning. Here we go round the mulberry bush. Mulberry bush. Early in the morning. This is the way we eat breakfast. Eat breakfast. This is the way we eat breakfast. Early in the morning. Here we go round the mulberry bush. Mulberry bush. Here we go round the mulberry bush. Early in the morning. This is the way we go to school. So what we do? We take our bags and we go to school. This is the way we go to school. Go to school. Early in the morning. Here we go round the mulberry bush. Here we go round the mulberry bush. Early in the morning. Early in the morning. Happy all? Enjoyed your rhymes? Great. So now you have to make a video like this as I have shared with you. A small video singing rhymes, dancing on rhymes and enjoying the rhymes. Okay? So don't forget to share your videos with me. Let me see how much you have learned from these lines. Bye all. Take care.